Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about preservative applicators on balers, whether it's big square, small square, or round. So just trying to give you a little heads up that we're getting close to the season and you probably should do a little maintenance check on your unit. So first thing you probably want to do is go down by the pickup and pull the nozzles off and the screens and make sure that that stuff's all clean. Because you do get some contamination going into your tank when you fill. So make sure that that's clean. Put those back on, and if you flushed everything with water last fall or not, go in and check your filter. You can see it here. Clean the screen there, put it back together, and then hook up to your tractor and do a run test on your pumps. It's preferable if you do it with water, but if you have preservative in there, it's not an issue. Everything's just going to be stinky, so maybe wait to the last thing to check that you're not having to work in that smell. But put it onto manual, run test your pumps, make sure that your nozzles are spraying properly so that you are going to get proper application when you need the thing to work. The other thing to do is to give a quick check on the star wheels and make sure that everything is clean there and that the wires are all connected up. Of course, there's nothing you can do to test it before you start going, but at least if you make sure everything's cleaned up and the wires are hooked up, then you can look at your monitor, see what kind of a reading you're getting, and go from there. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We can walk you through some of the stuff. There's good information in the manual and on the Harvest Tech site online. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.